This sounds crazy, but you can do it too. The X22 is an easy-to-use fly camera with advanced artificial intelligence technology for easy operation and easy flight. Here, let's take a close look. Look at this thing, smooth, streamlined shell, beautiful, refined, and elegant. Look, the new cloud platform structure design enhances to keep the camera stability. The full upgrade of the power system makes the flight performance to be better, and the powerful performance allows you to fly more smoothly. How steady? That's stable. Stability system is essential for every outstanding aerial camera. The 3-axis stabilizing head mounted on the X22 will keep the camera steady during the flight. Using a dual-mode satellite positioning system, a stable image transmission system with a transmission longer distance. The X22 knows where it is taking off, where it is in the air, where it is going, and what it can catch. Open up to secure your phone, and the screen also provides you with more detailed flight information, speed, altitude, and everything in your hands. You always feel control. Is it difficult to film blockbusters? Look, it's easy. The X22's intelligent shooting mode enables you to become a professional photographer. The intelligent tracking function. Through GPS positioning, the aircraft automatically locks the tracking point. Click the follow icon. The aircraft automatically rotates. The user moves. The aircraft moves along with the mobile phone. In trajectory flight mode, click the waypoint icon. You can draw any waypoint on map. After confirming the waypoint, click Send. The aircraft first flies to the first set point and then follows the waypoint to make a trajectory flight. All you have to do is create freely. Did you see this? The X22 is flying around the object and catched a smooth, beautiful video. This is also a challenge for a professional pilot. Click the surrounding icon, then set the parameters around the point. Determine and send. When you take off, X22 connecting 20 satellites, so it can remember your location. The automatic return function is fully optimized and becomes smarter. The X22 uses dual GPS positioning to precisely locate the takeoff point and land almost exactly at the return point when returning automatically. In addition, the X22 also added a low-power return function, which will send out an alarm to remind the user under low power state. The aircraft will automatically fly back to the takeoff point and automatically land when the power is less than 10%. With these two technologies, automatic returning becomes safer, simple, and reliable. The X22 is equipped with a high-definition camera that can shoot 1080p high-definition video with rich details and real colors. And now, all you shoot will look like this, or this, or this. So that is awesome. Sensory cognition dominates your life and the world, and experience determines your horizon. The X22 will show you the world without limit.